Welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, we say welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share the link also as well. I just want you to understand that this was my color when I started. I just flash you now. This and this was the color I was having. You can see it on the screen, left and right, and I will keep it all true for you to see what I'm saying. Until everyone started saying, okay, use your lotion, and I started using my lotion. This lotion is well balanced, formulated by me, by Austin himself. So I see no reason why wouldn't I share this good news with you. You can see my current color right now. You can see the way I'm looking. If I had not slowed down, I would have been more whiter than this lady here. But I just have to slow down. Alright? But for you, if you don't want to slow down, you can continue to use it. Alright? No side effect, no stretch mark, no green vein, no knuckles. Alright? No white patches. So it's not like they'll say, oh, I got white, not this lotion, not at all. So for those of the people who be thinking, should I buy from him? Yes, seeing is believing, you know. Seeing is believing. You can see this picture here and this picture here is not with my current status. It's not what I'm looking like right now. So that is what we say, seeing is believing. We have the soap, we have the scrub, we have the oil. For those of us who don't want to use the lotion, you can use only the soap. We have the Whitening black soap of it. Are you getting it? 1 week, when I mean 1 week, I'm not coming here to tell you lies. 1 week you will see result. Then also, if you want us to train you on whatever you want us to train you on the skincare from the scratch, you can count on us. We train you to the best knowledge we can. Trust me, it's not miss, no chemical, this, that, no. And for those of you who think, yes, that you've gotten the idea already, but you want to upgrade, we can also take you there. So register with us. If you want us to send you all of this to any country, Europe, US, UK, Asia country, just name it. You understand? We deliver everywhere. So, organics, no problem. Cosmetic, no problem. We have very large stores. Alright? So then again, for those of you who be criticizing people who come here and drop comments, stop doing that. This platform is not for fight, rather to educate people. If you think you went to wherever you are, you study in advert, you study chemistry, you study whatever you study, it's still best of what you study. It's still different from what other people study. Stop criticizing people. Stop criticizing Nigerians fake, miss. What have you, the ones you learned, and you still wanted them to teach you, you still want the Nigerian people to teach you. That is why you pain, that is why you keep falling trap, that is why so the ones you learn, what make you think the ones you learn they are not okay, but you want us to teach you? So I don't really care right now if you're in UK, if you're in whatever part of the world you are, you're criticizing Nigerians, stop doing that. We are one people. If you think that you know, then promise what you know. Alright? That's that. So other than that, don't come here and drop such comment anymore. I'm so very glad that YouTube himself, they doing that to you. They delete your comments. I don't need to fight you, right? We're not fighting. Okay, so I just want to show you something other than using this. We have our own stretch mark oils, and we have our sunburn oil. We have a lot of oils. For those of you who want oils, we have oil. You don't want to use lotion. 7 days to 8 days, 9 days that you want to use the oil, it's going to clear all your sunburn and make you whole again, make you white again. But first of all, you have to disconnect or discontinue from that lotion you use it. All right. So, and then we have a stretch mark oil. Like, if you know you can afford hours, you can go for this. All right. These are stretch mark oil that are affordable you can get. All right. And also, I tell you about this, this vitamin C serum. You can use this egg yolk serum. I mean, you can use this also for your face. It's good. Very, very good. Very, very good. So, we've come to the end of the review. Don't forget I just told you about this lotion. So if you're considering should I buy from him or not, come on,